There he is.
Cody got one. Hooked up. Hooked up. Good crappie too. Big slab.
Oh. All right, guys. Last morning here. Got one off a brush pile sitting in about 8 foot of water.
Well, he got me excited.
Nice male. Nice male fish.
I'm sitting on top of the live well trying to retie.
We'll throw that in the floorboard till Daddy gets the live well going.
Oh, there you go.
And we'll get it back out there.
That one.
There he is. Hit it on the. He hit it when I was reeling in.
Good crappie. Good crappie. That sucker over the boat. That's a female.
Oh.
Big female. They in here, they just slow.
Yep, nice female.
That's it. I'm done for you.
Daddy ain't woke up this morning yet. In the cooler. So that is 2.
Go, go, go.
All right, guys, got another one. I looked away and Daddy yelling, "Gone, gone, gone." This was a joint effort fish. Uh-oh, another good female. All right.
Well, on the way down here, Cody said he wanted to back off and get the brush and get the females. Well, I'm gonna tell you, most of the fish are in the brush still staged up. There's a few males up on the bank, but most of them are still out in the brush.
Definitely.
Big crappie.
Huge crappie. He's a good boat flipping. Heck yeah.
That's a slab right there.
Yes, it is.
That is a slab crappie right there.
Was that the old electric chicken?
The old electric chicken. Thank you, Jesus. That is a good crappie. I'm gonna say that crappie weighs close to 2 pounds.
At least 1.5 pounds. Put it on the scales if you want.
Let's see what it weighs.
We'll weigh one for y'all. If I can get the scale out. I was gonna skip over this little spot. They said, "No, we ain't skipping it."
It ain't big as I thought. 1.36. 1.36. Still a good crappie.
Definitely.
Still a good
I
crappie.
thought he was gonna be 1.5 pounds.
Maybe my eyes are bigger than I thought they was this morning. But that's still a good crappie.
It didn't have. It ain't.
It's a female.
She ain't as full as eggs.
And she looks like she's probably done spawned out. The spawn may have done happened here.
I don't think.
She's not full of eggs.
Yeah, I think it's cold weather just got them not producing it. All right, guys, we're gonna stay after it. Oh, there it is. I keep putting my hand in front of the camera to turn it on. Oh, it ain't as big as the one Daddy caught, but it's a keeper. But it's another crappie. It's a male. It's a male. We're gonna put him in the cooler, guys. So we're sitting in 9 foot of water. The brush is about 8-9 foot of water. We're just casting up on, not really brush, it's some old down trees. And we're fishing relatively shallow, 1 foot to 1.5 foot. Under a bobber, I got a minnow, Daddy's got a jig. Just trying to do multiple things. I'm a little deeper than he is. Trying to figure out exactly where we're getting the most bites. Got him?
Yeah, big crappie. Big crappie.
All right, get him in the boat. Golly, that's the biggest one. That's a big female.
Ain't big as that other. Look her. She's had something take a hunk out of her back. I'll get this up there closer where y'all can see that. Let me step down here for a minute. She had it deep. I don't know if y'all can see that, but she's got a big hunk took out of her back right there. It's a good crappie. Good crappie. There's a current right here, and all I was doing, I wasn't even jigging it, was just let the current carry my jig down through there.
And then reel in, recast before it slides into the brush.
Over.
Yeah, I see. Well, I think I missed most of that. Got a nice female here in the boat. Popped up settings when I went to click record, I guess. I don't know why. But look there. Nice slab. Good looking female, of course. See? White belly, that's a female. Nice black crappie.
We ain't just setting them on fire, but what we are getting are good quality crappie.
7 big ones in the live well right now. 7. 7.3 foot of water.
There he is.
Okay. Nice male. Well, he's hooked good. There we go. Nice male crappie. He going in the live well. Nothing but net.
I'm hung around the limb there come off of.
All right, guys, we're
big
hooked up.
crappie.
He says it's a big one. Let's see. It's a decent one. That's a male.
Yeah, it's a male.
But you know, normally when they're fully ready to spawn, you know, you ain't gotta flay them. No, they got eggs in them. You can see they've got eggs in them, but they're not pooched out. All right, guys. Bass. Not a crappie.
Everybody be glad Denny's gone.
Yeah, Denny'd eat him. There we go. A little largemouth. Get him back in the water. Oh.
All right. Hung around that limb right there, I see. Come off? Yeah.
He come out. Big crappie.
Bass.
Bass?
Yeah. Second big bass you've caught out there.
Well, not big bass.
Well,
Bigger than those ones we were catching the first couple of days. Okay. Oh. I thought it was a big crappie. He swam into a tree, but thankfully he swam out, so I had to retie. But there he is. We're gonna let him go back. We ain't eating him.
oh, there he is. Got it.
Crappie. And he wanted to change spots.
Broccoli way up here on another piece.
You got to put the sneak attack on him. Put that 45-yard cast on him.
There. Another one. Another good one.
Oh.
Another good crappie. Good crappie. And I ain't even really, we're getting on these spots and we're not even really working that jig. Just putting that jig out there and letting the wind move it what it moves. They're not real aggressive today, so just taking our time. And it seems like we pick up one or two off each piece of structure we stop on.
Yeah, which we didn't pick up any off this and behind me, but we're fishing. Somebody else just come through here fishing too, so. Well, you gonna put him in a live well?
Done put him in there.
All right, be back with y'all.
Gone. Good one. Good one. Good crappie. Big crappie. That's a big one. Big old female, ain't it?
It's a male.
Good male.
Big old male. That is a slab.
Big old crappie.
That is a slab right there. Nice crappie. Miss one?
No, I'm hungry.
Oh.
That's shallow right there, or either.
Yeah, we're only top
Is
of
that
the water right here.
Yeah. I'm
What?
gonna let you drop your minnow back in there before you try to get it out of there.
All right. Well, he's hung up. I'm gonna see if there's enough fish in there before we go pulling his jig out. Oh
Another good one.
my GoPro's acting funny. My GoPro keeps shutting off on me.
Another good fish. Another good pound crappie.
Another slab right there. Love catching those. So I'm not sure how much that I got. Like I said, GoPro keeps wanting to shut off on me. I don't know what's going on with it. If it's my memory card or if it's my GoPro. But all the same, nice crappie. Happy to catch him. Catch her. Happy to catch her. Fish on.
It's not on. It's not full.
I was counting once in the live well, just had this laid over the side of the boat.
That's a big fish. Get him on there. Big fish. That's the biggest one of the day right there, Cody.
Nice female. I don't know about biggest of the day, but it's a good fish. We've had some good fish today. Fish caught itself.
Show it to him, Jack.
Look there. Nice fish, nice fish. So, just had my rod laid over side boat to keep my minnow alive. And they said, your bobber's gone, or you're hung up one. So, I'm happy about it.
Hey guys, if you like my people channel, go click another one video, then watch them, please.